When tragedy strikes, every minute counts. Survival rates increase by 13% for every minute first responders arrive faster at a crash scene. With Motive and RapidSOS, your drivers get the immediate attention they need when a severe collision occurs. Motive uploads video from the AI dashcam to the cloud, typically within 20 seconds after an accident. Our Motive safety team of over 400 members reviews each video in as little as 30 seconds to confirm the collision. Once confirmed, you're immediately notified through the Fleet app, email, and text so you can take action right away. Motive detects 99% of high-severity collisions, including those with severe vehicle damage or when a driver is incapacitated or experiencing health issues. You'll have immediate access to the collision video and detailed information on your Motive dashboard and Fleet app. In the event of a severe collision, like a rollover, a red box will appear on the event detail page. You'll have the option to get a priority phone number that directly connects you to local emergency dispatchers, bypassing long admin line wait times. You can also easily message the driver or start a live stream if the dashcam is operational, to gain more context and provide further support. Key details identifying the driver, vehicle, and accident location are sent to dispatchers via RapidSOS's API, allowing them to deploy the most effective emergency services and deliver higher quality care at the scene. Stay informed with live updates until the 911 call is completed, ensuring your drivers get the fastest response possible. Throughout the process, you have the information you need to reduce legal exposure and quickly get your drivers the help they need. Protect drivers and save lives with Motive.